guys, this is Shantani. Welcome back to the channel. I am beyond excited about today's challenge / makeup tutorial video. After I recreated the look of Aishwarya Rai Bachchan from the movie Fanny Khan, I got countless requests from so many of you lovelies. So here I am again trying to recreate one of my favorite actresses, and oh my god, she is a diva. I think this look is perfect for upcoming Eid as it is gorgeous and settled at the same time. Thank you so much Swada Siddika Alina for the request. You are such a sweetheart. So without further ado, let's get started. Oh, I'm so excited. To moisturize my face, I used Hard Candy Glow All The Way Doll Face as a primer. It has 24 karat gold, so it gives you a natural shine. Then I applied Napoleon Pardy's Pro Palette Concealer. I will take the lightest shade and blend it with MAC 242 SE brush. I am using this concealer to highlight my whole face and also trying to kind of mimicking the face structure of Aishwarya Rai. So I am covering my dark circles under my eyebrows, my nose, chin, jawlines, and last but not least my forehead. To contour my face, I am using Wet n Wild Makeup Stick Contour number 805. I will give you the name of all the products I used for this tutorial in the description box below. Blending all my highlights and contour with my beauty sponge. Here the trick is, don't mix these two colors, otherwise you will have patches all over your face. If you are using one beauty sponge like me, then blend the highlighter first and then the contour. And of course, you want to wet your sponge before using. For foundation, I chose BB Cream Matte 9-in-1 from Rimmel London and the shade is medium. I am using same wet sponge and blending, or maybe it's right to say tabbing my whole face and neck. At this point, it might look like all your hard work, your contour just disappeared, but hang in there, it is there and your contour will look even better blended. I totally forgot this essential step called color correction. So here I am using L'Oreal 425 Always Apricot lipstick to cover it up after the concealer and foundation. It should be the first step, guys, so I am covering it with the foundation again. Then setting everything with powder to prevent it from creasing. I'm using Airspun Loose Face Powder. It is important to create a base for eyeshadow, so I'm going to use L'Oreal True Match Concealer to cover the whole eyelid, and I will blend it with the help of my finger. And to prevent it from creasing, I will apply some loose powder on it. To draw my eyebrow, I'm going to use this drawing eyebrow from North Shore. It's a light brown color and I'm drawing without pressing the pencil with too much pressure. Once I'm done with the pencil, I will use the brush and make a nice shape. To keep the brow in place for a long time, I'm going to apply e.l.f. Transparent Eyebrow Mascara and it works pretty well for me. Then I will take this dark peach color from BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette and start the transition color on my eyelid with MAC 224 SE brush. Now to help blending, I'm gonna set my creaser to brow bone area using a matte brown shade from the same palette. First I will draw the line with an angular brush from Olivia Grace and then I will blend it with MAC 224 SE brush. I'm going to take this brown shade from BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette and blend it in outer corner of my eyelid. Then I'm going to take this light shimmery pink color and blend it on my eyelid and inner corner of my eyes with MAC 224 SE brush, and I'm also going to highlight under my eyebrow with the same shade. Aishwarya has a deep crease cut look in this photo. To mimic that, I'm gonna cover my half eyelid with lighter concealer, which is L'Oreal True Match Concealer, and blend it. Now I will just take this beige shimmery color and cover my half eyelid. Then I'm gonna take this brown matte shade and with the help of angled eyeliner brush from Olivia Grace and MAC 224 SE brush, I will draw and blend to get that perfect crease cut I am aiming for. Now I'm gonna take this beautiful terracotta shade and blend it under my waterline with an angled eyeliner brush. I'm not necessarily following the makeup rules here because my primary goal here is to recreate the shape of Aishwarya Rai's eye. I'm using another BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette and highlighting my eyelids. I'm gonna use L'Oreal 710 Black Noir eyeliner to draw the line. In my previous video, I explained exactly how to draw Aishwarya Rai's eye. If you missed it by any chance, not to worry, I will give you the link below. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by and you are very welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button below before your way out so that you won't miss any of my videos. I'm gonna use Maybelline Master Smoky to kind of smudge under my waterline, but not the whole eye, just the outer corner. Again, I'm highlighting. As I said, I'm not following any rule today. I'm gonna show you how to recreate the look of Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. And for that I have to break the rule. For highlighting, I am using Wet n Wild concealer number 809, and for contour I am using Wet n Wild contour makeup stick number 805. In both cases I am using MAC 242 SE brush to blend the makeup. I'm gonna take MAC 224 SE brush to contour my nose and MAC 129 SE brush to contour my whole face. In both cases I am using CoverGirl TRUblend 6. To get that nice rosy cheeks, I'm gonna apply Maybelline Master Glaze blush and blending it with EcoTools foundation brush. Now with this color, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes before applying mascara. I'm gonna take Revlon Ultimate All-in-One Mascara and apply it very carefully. Try not to touch other areas except your lashes. Every time I try to recreate Aishwarya Rai's look, I always wear double lashes. One is a lighter one from Napoleon Paris and a heavier one, just to add some volume. She has a dimple in her chin, so I am creating that with my contour stick. Now another crucial thing after eye. She has a very specific lip. It's puffy but not wide, if it makes sense. I'm gonna use Maybelline 50 Red lip liner to draw the outline. And then take the L'Oreal True Match concealer and conceal outside the line I just drew. Then I'm gonna take my wet makeup sponge and blend it. For lipstick, I chose CoverGirl 305 Hot Passion as a base color. I have given the links of my Facebook and Instagram accounts. You can also follow me there because I post many photos and videos there which I don't post here in YouTube. Now I'm gonna use this red Kiss Proof lipstick from Rimmel London, and this is the first time I'm using it. The color is very vibrant and it has a protective lip gloss kind of thing on the other end, which basically protects your lipstick from being smudged, and it literally stays the same for hours. So a big thumbs up for this one. So this is it, and I think this elegant look is definitely suitable for Eid. Once you do the eyes and lips parts nicely, you have already succeeded. I am terrible with the contact lenses, so to get this look I had to take some extra help from apps. If you are good at wearing contact lenses, then you should try aqua green one. Even though Aishwarya's real lenses are kind of grey green, in this look it looked more like aqua green, so just go for it. I think my favorite part of this entire video was this double false lashes look, and of course recreating the eye shape of Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. So definitely let me know in the comments below which part surprised you the most, which part you liked, which part did you hate the most. Let me know and comment down below, and please also let me know your favorite actress or actresses and whom should I try next time. If you enjoyed watching this video and you wanna see me do this often, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed and hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.